How does a simple 3D idea become a precise architectural drawing? That's the core question we're exploring today in our look at engineering graphics.
It's a journey from spatial concepts to technical communication. We start by helping students understand architectural form in 3D before they ever touch a 2D layout.
That makes sense. So, where does the process actually begin for a first-year student?
We start with Tinkercad. It's a great way to build simple volumetric models while learning the basics of scale, positioning, and how shapes relate to each other in space.
And once they have that basic volume down, how do they turn that into a real architectural concept?
That's where Autodesk Forma comes in. It lets students place their models into a real environment so they can see how the building interacts with its context.
But at some point, we have to get to the technical stuff, right? How do we move into AutoCAD and formal documentation?
Exactly. That's the transition to engineering graphics. We teach students how to translate that 3D geometry into orthographic projections, like floor plans and elevations.
For someone new to this, what are the essential pieces of information they're creating in those drawings?
They're learning to produce sections which show the internal structure and surface developments. Adding precise dimensions is also crucial for the drawing to be functional.
It sounds like a lot of different software to learn all at once. Is the focus mainly on mastering these specific tools?
Not really, the software is just a means to an end. The real goal is developing spatial reasoning and understanding how to communicate ideas through standardized graphics.
So, using different tools like Tinkercad and AutoCAD is more about reflecting how the professional industry actually works?
Definitely. Information constantly moves between different applications in a professional workflow, so students need to be comfortable with that data transfer.
It's really about the clarity of the message then, rather than just drawing pretty lines on a screen.
Exactly. A good architectural drawing is a precise two-dimensional explanation of a three-dimensional idea. It's the language architects use to make things real.